Hey guys, what's up? I'm about to go to work. Really don't feel like it, but you gotta grind, so you know. And today's back day, so I'll see you guys at the gym. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know it was a little short. I just want to change it up a little bit, you know, have something fun with it. And I want to give a shout out to my friend Deli Productions right here. You guys go subscribe to him. He helped me edit that video. He basically did all the editing. But yeah, I really appreciate that, and you guys have a good day. See y'all next time.